Feel fiercely powerful when you wear these cute shoes by Chinese Laundry. They feature a canvas upper with a traditional lace-up closure and metal eyelets for a secure and custom fit, and a pull tab at the back of the ankle for assistance with on and off. There are other eyelets on each side for breathability with a rubber toe cap for protection and durability. These have a high top sneaker look with a boot appeal that gives it a unique and interesting vibe. There is a textile interior with a cushioned footbed for comfort. The chunky midsole makes a bold statement that stands out with a sturdy build, and you'll get a little over a 2-inch boost in height. It's all on top of a durable rubber outsole that is textured for traction.